Hi guys. Today I would like to speak about Sushant Singh Rajput and his diversified skills and talents. Well, as you all know that he's a great actor. Along with that, we also know that he's an AIEEE 7th rank holder, right? And undoubtedly, we also know that he's a National Olympiad winner in physics. And guys, do you know that we have to crack an exam in order to own a top line telescope? I wasn't aware. Exactly, guys, I wasn't aware that we have to crack an exam in order to own a top line telescope. Do you know? From a layman stand, that is point of view, I wasn't aware that he was such a talented person. Yes, guys, probably that is the reason, most of us didn't know about him. Guys, what I feel is one should start expressing on what they are good at. Probably then we would get to know what people are really talented at. Not only this, guys, do you also know that he's actually got trained at USSRC NASA, and he also bought a Boeing 737 fixed flight simulator. He did indeed. Not only this, guys, I used to always feel that a person who is talented at one stream, like if a person is talented in arts, may not excel in science. That is the reason we have this bifurcation, right? Right, immediate after 10th or intermediate, we get to choose which field we want to go. And that is the reason people would not get a chance in order to excel in all the streams. But I believe Sushant Singh Rajput is a diversified, skilled person who has excelled in not only just arts but science also. And yes, he has got a great knowledge in programming. If you would have checked his Instagram post, you would really be shocked to see that he has got a great talent, guys. He is great at playing guitar, dancing, singing, and did you even know that he's got trained in mixed martial arts? Amazing, man. I think Sushant Rajput Singh is not just skilled, guys. He's such a super talented person. Maybe the rare person I have ever seen so far. Not only that, along with that, he even learned cricket for that movie. You all know by now, right? That is Untold Story of MS Dhoni. Yes. And along with that, he even played the helicopter shot and got hands on playing tennis, archery, and freehand drawing. Guys, what else should I say about him? I didn't know much before, but after I got to know every day, after I got to know about him, I really feel, if he would have been there, surely he would have paved a path for million youngsters saying, do not limit yourself. Do not limit yourself, irrespective of whatever stream you are, arts, science, whatever. If your thoughts are limitless, you can do limitless things. One can excel and one can go to streams, can do anything. I used to always feel that, yes, maybe if I'm excel at management, maybe if I'm excel at commerce, I would not be able to, learn science. But no, he proved me wrong. He proved me wrong saying that if you are interested to learn something, you can do it. Just look at his passion, the way he's got his learning, the capability. I think he's a very quick learner, guys. I've also seen something which was being circulating, that is his wish list. Seriously, so diversified, right? I must say, he was a talented, he was skilled, whatnot, and a very kind person. But one thing which I fail to understand is maybe in expressing. Yes, as you all know, guys, intermediate results are out, right? So please do not confine yourself with just grades. If you believe that grades are only factor, let me tell you, the same measuring scale would not be used for a fish and giraffe in order to tell what they are good at, right? Exactly. Each and every person is unique and talented. If I have to say that you are a talented person, I need not look at your grades. You can even express it by stating what you are good at. Exactly. Guys, Most of the time we fail to express, and because of that people start gauging our talents. Because of that, people start gauging and stating, okay, this person is not good at this, forget it. But do they know what we are actually good at? Hold on. Do we know what we are good at? Exactly, guys. There's something called as USP, that is unique selling proposition. If one can identify their USPs, then undoubtedly we can express to others on our USP. So start identifying what you are good at. Start identifying and start expressing yourself. If not to the whole world, at least express it to your parents, family, friends, colleagues, or whosoever it is. Do not let a person gauge yourself just by one parameter. Do not let them say that, okay, you are dull at grades, or okay, you're good at grades. No, only grades cannot gauge us, right? Only by looking at grades, one cannot confine stating, okay, you're good at this. No, give them or tell them what you are good at. Just identify what is your USP and start telling them about your USPs, so that people would stop gauging or start confining you only for one sector. Instead, they would see you as a limitless person or as a diversified person. I'm pretty much sure, guys, in our schooling, we would have participated in so many things, right? Like martial arts, like karate, singing, dancing, and so on. But after we start growing up, we start quitting one by one. Why? Because we find the time is, we don't find time. No, guys, we don't find time, or we give that as a answer because we do not take out the time for it. But now the time is changed. The time has changed. Everything is going digital, guys. Start going digital. Start utilizing this time and knowing your USP. Start expressing people what we are good at, so that one would not gauge us just by one parameter, that is called as grades. Grades is not the end. Right? There are so many people who have excelled in so many things apart from grades. So start expressing yourself. Start identifying or discovering what are you talented at. Do not limit your thoughts just to one sector. Be limitless. Do what you feel like and start expressing it. Only when we express, the other person would get to know what we are. If we do not express ourselves, how can we expect others to know what we are good at? Obviously, everyone is busy in their own life. If we do not tell about ourselves to them, how would they know? So, start expressing and start showing your USPs, what you are good at, excel at. Just go for it, guys. And I once again congratulate to all of them for intermediate exams. Not only that, start exploring your talents. Thank you so much.